Hey folks, Cooking with Kelbob here. I'm in my ordinary Latin American country, Dominican Republic. Grill Dog Sherman had to sit this one out, folks. It's way too hot down here. But anyways, we got a special Mofongo edition. So folks, if you want to try something good, you want to try some Latin American cuisine that will knock your socks off, take 2 minutes and watch this video about Mofongo. Okay.
So that's it. And it has a special sauce.
Yeah.
I don't know the ingredients.
Mofongo
but
sauce.
It's very good. You'll try it.
Okay, well, very good. Well, I'm excited.
So this is a mofongo.
Yep.
Right?
Right.
And here you have fried pork.
Yep.
And this is yuca.
Yuca. Okay.
It has a name, but I don't know which is. So that's it.
Good.
And you have a little sauce that you can put on top of the mofongo.
So fix your plate how a Latin American would fix his plate for Mofongo.
Perfect. So this is.
So now, the moment I'm going to try this. This looks delicious. My gosh. Yuca. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so good. And pork. What do you call this pork? We call it chicharro. Oh my God. That is so good. That is so good. And the pork, the Mofongo. This is the real deal. Folks, if you're in Latin America, all these countries have a different variety of this. They're so proud of their cuisine. They're so nice. Try some Mofongo. No way will you go wrong with this one. Kelbob, out.